LeetCode 637, average of level in binary tree. This is an easy question. Let's get into it. Given a non-empty binary tree, return an average value of a non-node on each level in the form of an array. Let's check with example 1. Okay, each level. So I think this is hint. So we need to do, yes, level traversal. So each level we need to add sum and then divide count of node and then put into the output. So first is 3 and then divide the 1 is 3 and then this one 29 divided 2 is the 14.5 and then 15 plus 7 22 divided 2 is 11. Okay, so I'm gonna traverse binary I'm gonna traverse level order and then calculate the sum and divide the count of node of each level. Okay, let's implement the code. To implement a level order, we need to queue. So first, we need to make output array, and then need to queue values collection. The queue. Okay, let's make edge case. If root is none, return empty array. And I append queue root and then I will throw it. Queue is not empty until queue is empty. So first level load we need to level sum initialize 0 and then level load is length of queue. QUEUE. Yes, and then I will iterate for in range same over level nodes. So first we get node is path from queue and then add two level sum node value and then if node left exists I will append node and then if node right exists queue append node right and then I will calculate I will put the output append level sum divide level node. Do we need one more flash? No, because we need to flat, not integer. So finally we return output. Okay, let's check the code. Return output. X typo. Okay, looks good. In this case, time complexity is linear time, n is number of node, and then space complexity also linear space because we use queue. Thank you.